So guys, in today's class, I'll be sharing how to buy silver on the Bybit app, alright, and how to use the Bybit Tradfi. Now, on the Bybit Tradfi, this is where you can find all other assets like your stocks and your Forex and of course the Tradfi. So you're going to click on this place where you find, I'm going to just click here, where you find trade, alright. So when I select trade, which is actually very simple and easy to do, you find the trade file. Okay, so when you click on trade, you can see trade file on this area. So on the trade file, you can actually buy different things. All right, now you can see metals. Metal simply means gold. You can see this is silver versus Australian dollars. You can see silver, which is your normal silver, which you'll be buying today. You can see XAUD. All these are precious metals you can buy, okay, when you are trading. Apart from that, you can see stocks. Okay, you can buy stocks from different foreign brands. Okay, you can see Apple, the popular ones, Apple. You can see Cisco, you can see Tesla, TSLA. So there are many of them. But for today, I'll be buying silver and I'll be showing you how to use the Bybit TradeFi. So TradeFi is a short form for traditional finance. You can find it on this area. So first things, you find out that I have no balance right now. I have no balance on my TradeFi account and I need to add money on my TradeFi account in order to trade. Alright, so to transfer money into my TradeFi account before I start buying, I need to click on this area where you can find transfer. So when I click on transfer, I'm just going to start from scratch. First of all, you need some money on your funding wallet, and I believe from funding wallet you can move to your TradeFi. So as of today, I have about 428 USDT on my funding. Okay, so I can transfer just about 100 USDT. So I'm going to put in 100 USDT to buy this silver. So I'm going to put in 100. Then I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, but first of all, you can read all the stuffs you can see here. So you can see from funding to TradeFi. All right, I'm going to click on confirm here. When I click on confirm, the money has been moved to my TradeFi. So I'm going to just refresh it for it to come back up here. So apparently it's taking some 30 seconds to come in, and we're going to resume once it comes in. Okay, now the money has entered and we can now buy whatever asset we want to buy. This is how to use the Bybit TradeFi. So today I particularly plan, for example, particularly plan to buy silver, but then you can see there is Forex. If you are a Forex trader, you can see there is a lot of Forex pairs here. You can trade Forex on your Bybit app right now, all right? And this is actually amazing because Bybit is making sure that every trader can trade almost all the assets in the world using the simple Bybit app. There's also commodities where you can see your cocoa, Brent oil, gas, all of those amazing stuff. All right, which is just beautiful. So particularly there's Forex, commodities, there are indices also. You can see the Dow Jones indices. There's also the Nasdaq, and of course the Nikkels, South Africa, all of those amazing things, S&P 200, UK 100 cash, and all of that. All right, there's also stocks, which is very popular. There's also metals, which I'll be buying. Then there's recommended, which Bybit thinks these ones are particularly okay for you to buy at this point. Okay, that is why it's called recommended. Favorites are simply the ones that are favorites. If you mark anyone as a favorite, it will appear here. So I'm going to go straight to the metals because I want to buy silver. All right, so I'm going to look for silver versus US dollars. Okay, so this is silver, US dollars, which is its cost 88 USDT, but I'm buying it with a total of 100 USDT. All right, so I'm going to click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the price chart for silver, and I'm buying silver because it has been doing well for some time. All right, so I'm going to click on this place where you find buy. Okay, so when I click on buy, this is actually the very first time I'm using this. Okay, next thing you're going to see is the order value and the lot size. All right, so I'll not be putting any order value on this place. I just want to put in the particular lot size I will be using, which is about 0.01. All right, now one thing you have to understand is that the lot size, The best way to explain it, okay, is simply that you have to use a small lot size, all right? Especially if you are starting out in trading. So the smallest as at today is 0.01, and it is the safest for traders to manage your profit and your risks, all right? Using a larger lot size can result into larger profits or larger losses, okay? So it's better you just use the 0.01, okay? And then I'm going to just click on this place where you find buy to get started. So guys, the next thing you want to pay attention to is the take profit and stop loss. All right, this is very, very important, and this is where you find the TP and SL. So simply, I'm going to explain what it means. When you tick in the box, I'm going to share what it means. So you can see the price of silver right now is trading at $88, and you want the price of silver to go up. That's why we're clicking on buy. All right, so if the price of silver goes up, you can see this is on the take profit area. If you want to make just $15 on your on this trade, just come here and write in 15. So this means that when you have made just $15 from this trade, the trade will automatically cancel by itself. Okay, so by that it simply means that when the price of silver comes to 89, you would have made $15 extra. All right, that's just as easy as it is. On the stop loss area, it simply means that if you just want to lose about $5, okay, so when the price of silver goes down to 88.6, 8.61, you'd have lost $5, and of course you can go out of the trade. Okay, so this is actually amazing, but I'll be trading without take profit or stop loss. So for people who love to use take profit and stop loss, like I said, you can put in the amount of profit you want to make on this area. If you want to make just $15, you type in $15 and you click on buy. Once you made $15, you would have had $115 if you're using $100 to trade. All right, now if you want to lose just $5, you would have lost just $5, and you will be leaving the market with your $95 if you're using $100 to trade. All right, so in simple terms, you're telling Bybit, please Bybit, I'm using $100 to trade, but if I've made $15 extra, if I've made $115 totally, close the trade for me. It means you're taking your profit and your capital. Okay, but on the other hand, on the stop loss, you're saying Bybit, please, I'm using $100 to trade. I don't have enough money. If I lose just $5, I want to leave the market. Okay, Bybit is going to help you close the market and give you back your $95 immediately. You've lost $5. All right, but here I'm not going to be using take profit and stop loss because I love leaving my assets to do as much as they can. All right, so I'm going to just click on buy just like that, and it is going to actually buy for me. Okay, and I'm just going to click on buy, and boom, it has been submitted successfully. So right now the trade is now open, and I can find it on this area. So you can see your realized profit or your loss at this point, and you can see that we have entered a buy. Okay, so apparently when you have made some profit, you can close it from here. So if you have made some profit and you want to leave the market, you can click on close buy, and you can now decide to close your trade. So you can click on close buy, and you can close it immediately, anyhow you like. All right, you can just click on confirm, and it's going to close. Or on the other hand, if you want to set take profit or stop loss along the line, you can click on set TP/SL, and then you can absolutely close the set your take profit and stop loss even while your trade is ongoing. All right, so guys, I'm going to leave you guys here right now, and I'm going to come back to share this particular trade with you after some few weeks. All right, and good thing is that from here you can be seeing your balance reading and everything that's going on in the market. So I'll see you on the one, guys. To have a very wonderful day.